all those muscles, especially say the ones around the neck, you have a plethora of muscles all surrounding all these bones. If the bones are now being shifted in some way and are getting to a more optimal position, it's good for the muscles, but for them in the short term, it's going to be a surprise, it's going to be a shock, and they're going to start to then move in a way which is not used to them. So at least here in the practice at Vitality Chiropractic, we have recovery suites. So this means it gives a chance for those muscles to get used to that new normal position. However, it still can be normal that there may be a bit of soreness afterwards as the body is readjusting things. Another thing I mentioned as well is about the idea of, say, someone going for a run. Afterwards, I'm sure everybody has had this experience or feeling a bit sore after exercise, whether it's running, weight training, games, sports, whatever it is. And a lot of that time it is actually those muscles regenerating and healing. And healing, unfortunately, I would love it for our patients if it was always easy and it always didn't feel any pain and always felt great. But realistically, healing can hurt. If someone has a cut on their hand, the next day, even though it starts to heal, it doesn't necessarily feel like it's perfect. It may still be sending some pain signals over that time. Of course, if things are going on for too long, and it's not just say in the beginning of care, but it's something that continues throughout care, it's something that it must be addressed with, whether it's with your chiropractor, your physiotherapist, your medical doctor, whoever it is that you're seeing. But obviously, whatever you are feeling, it's always good to let them know so they can at least note things down and explain just in case there is any confusion. So just to summarize, it can be normal for them to be some soreness, especially after the beginning of chiropractic adjustments, but it is very normal. But the best thing to do is always consult with your physician so they know exactly what's going on and they can advise you and make any changes in your care if needs be. If you have any questions, of course, you can leave a comment in the sections, or you can get back to us on 8438-9550 or email help@vitalitychiropracticcenters.com, and we'll make sure we get back to you as soon as possible. Have a great day and a great weekend, everybody.